The Atacama Desert is a desert plateau located on the Pacific coast of South America in the north of Chile. Stretching over a 1,600-kilometer-long, 1,000-mile strip of land west of the Andes Mountains, it covers an area of 105,000 square kilometers, which increases to 128,000 square kilometers, 49,000 square miles, if the barren lower slopes of the Andes are included. The Atacama Desert is the driest non-polar desert in the world and the second driest overall, behind some specific spots within the McMurdo Dry Valleys. It is the only true desert to receive less precipitation than polar deserts, and the largest fog desert in the world. The area has been used as an experimentation site for Mars expedition simulations due to its similarities to the Martian environment. The constant temperature inversion caused by the cool north-flowing Humboldt Ocean current and the strong Pacific anticyclone contribute to the extreme aridity of the desert. The most arid region of the Atacama Desert is situated between two mountain chains, the Andes and the Chilean Coast Range, which are high enough to prevent moisture advection from either the Pacific or the Atlantic Ocean, creating a two-sided rain shadow effect. In spite of the geographic and climatic conditions of the desert, a rich variety of flora has evolved there. Over 500 species have been gathered within the border of this desert. These species are characterized by their extraordinary ability to adapt to this extreme environment. The most common species are herbs and flowers such as thyme, laureta, and saltgrass, Distichlis spicata, and where humidity is sufficient, trees such as the chania, Geoffroea decorticans, the pimiento tree, and the leafy algarobo, Prosopis chilensis. The Atacama Desert flowering can be seen from September to November in years with sufficient precipitation, as happened in 2015. The climate of the Atacama Desert limits the number of animals living permanently in this extreme ecosystem. Some parts of the desert are so arid, no plant or animal life can survive. Outside of these extreme areas, sand-colored grasshoppers blend with pebbles on the desert floor, and beetles and their larvae provide a valuable food source in the lomas, hills. Desert wasps and butterflies can be found during the warm and humid season, especially on the lomas. Red scorpions also live in the desert. Birds are one of the most diverse animal groups in the Atacama. Humboldt penguins live year-round along the coast, nesting in desert cliffs overlooking the ocean. Inland, high-altitude salt flats are inhabited by Andean flamingos, while Chilean flamingos can be seen along the coast. Other birds, including species of hummingbirds and rufous-collared sparrow, visit the lomas seasonally to feed on insects, nectar, seeds, and flowers. The lomas help sustain several threatened species, such as the endangered Chilean woodstar. Yeah.